key to getting it done really quickly is having a tool like this. So a pick or something that you can kind of grab underneath this plastic trim piece right here. So all you need to do is get your tool underneath, pop it there. Try to hold this. I'm trying to do this with one hand while showing you, but get onto the other side. And again, you just need to get underneath and pop it off like that. And then it just comes right out. So this one here, this one clip kind of popped off, but that's okay because the new one comes with its own clips. So we have that off, that clip's there, but like I said, the new one comes with its own clips. Now there's no connector that you need to undo for the light because it's built right into the latch assembly. So this we're gonna have to just rotate so it's in the right orientation, like so. You just line it up. See, the best way to line up is the white plastic kind of square piece there has to go into the matching slot, like so. Push it up, and then once you have it pushed up, kind of hold it up and push in the plastic trim, like that. So the trim, this little plastic trim, is what expands that clip to make it so it locks in. And pull the plastic off, like that. Put it up. Hey, look at that. It stays up. Light turns on when the mirror's on, open, and that's it. So you could have this thing replaced in probably 30 seconds if you're using two hands. Hopefully this helped you out.